Hello everyone, it is Tropics WX here with another tropical video. This being on the Atlantic Hurricane Season 2025. Yeah, we're kind of picking up the pace with this season already in October. But that besides the point. We have Tropical Storm Lorenzo, I believe it is called. Let me speak it so I can. Bruh. Lorenzo. So we have Tropical Storm Lorenzo here. And yeah. Monday is October 13th, 2025, 5 p.m. Atlantic Standard Time. Advisory number 3. Center location 15.2 north, 41.7 west. Max sustained 50 miles per hour. Movement northwest at 12 miles per hour. Uh, Go to the public advisory for this. It is 11,080 miles away, or 18,995 kilometers south of the current of these islands. It has a millbar pressure of 1,002. Yeah. Let's head over to your discussion side. This is the intern right now, 50 mile per hour. From this intern all the way down to 48 hours from now, it will stay at 50 mile per hour. And 60 hours from now, it will be at 60 mile per hour. And 72 hours from now, it will reach its peak about 65. At 96 hours from now, it'll be at 60 mile per hour. So it starts to do its weakening phase. At 120 hours from now, it'll be back to that 50 mile per hour, 50 mile per hour that we are currently having right now. And I don't know if we're going to see a hurricane out of this. Things could change. So let's go over to Zoomer for the yeah. Go over to Zoomer. Here we are on Zoomer with the on Lorenzo. It has a millbar pressure of 1,002, and it is expected to be at 50, 50, 50, 50 for next so many days. 60 mile per hour, 65, 60, and then 50 as a tropical storm. So yeah, this is not posing life threats to anywhere. Its cone is kind of weird. It's like trying to go back around. So yeah. Let's go over to WeatherWise for the final part of this video, and then I'm ending the video off. I don't need to saddle it. Okay, so here's our spaghetti models for was on. Okay, nope, I can't say it. For our tropical storm in the Atlantic. That as you can see, it will try maybe go out to. It's gonna stay out to sea. We know that for a matter of fact, but we don't know if it's gonna do this turnaround effect or if it's gonna do like, oh my god, like this. We don't know what it's gonna do. And we were questioning the warning on the current uncertainty. Like, are you going to try turning it around? So it seems like what's going to happen is it may try to turn around and go more out to sea. But we don't know. It's forecast. We're still going to be watching it. I know I'm going to be watching it. And yeah. Let's look at your intensities before we end this video off. So here's our intensities. As you can see, category 2. And ships. Where's the ship models? Here's the ship models, what they're saying. They're saying it will stay a category, or not category, but a tropical storm. Here's the official NHC. And yeah. That with that being said, this is Trevor Tropics WX signing out. See you in the next video. Stay safe, everyone, and we'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.